Hey Brian, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Scott Wazinski gave me your name and told me that you guys had been talking about just kind of your dissatisfaction with your current SEO services. And I just wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you just a little bit about what we do, how we do it, and what your competitors are doing to beat you out for some of that search. So the thing that we look at is, number one, the content on your website. This is crucial for you to capture the keywords that are out there, and we can look at some of those and some of the volume on that. But the content is the first thing you got to get right on your website. It's 1,500 words minimum on your homepage, and a lot of times it's a lot more content than that, because if we're trying to go after several different keywords, we've got to have 175 to 200 words on your homepage talking about those keywords, or talking about what you do with those keywords in there to really capture that search. Because Google's trying to rank your site as the authority on, restroom trailers and shower trailers and such. So that's the first thing. The second thing are backlinks. These are other websites that link to your website. We want them to be industry specific. So they might be talking about disaster relief, or wherever else you might use a trailer rental or a trailer sales like this. Those are things that we definitely want to have linked to your website, and not like a Pizza Hut or something like that. That's not really relevant. And then the third thing are citations. So citations are your name, address, and phone number for your business listed on as many online directories as possible. So just looking real quick at your website, it's nice looking. You've got some great content on here as far as like what you have, but there's just not enough. And that is the thing that we really need to fix. And we need to get the keywords on your homepage. You've probably got less than 250 words total on your homepage that's being crawled by Google. And now you've got a lot of pages on here, and you don't have to rank every one of those pages, but you would want to rank the shower trailers page, possibly the combo trailers, ADA trailers, things like that. So we would put specific keywords to those back pages and add links to those pages as well. So if you look at just say restroom trailers for sale, you can see that there's some people running ads up here. You guys are running an ad right there. I see that. And then you've got, in the organic search, you've got portablerestroomtrailers.com, langrestroomtrailers.com, and then NRT sales are popping up in the top 3 positions. You also want to be in the map section. It didn't really pull up on this one because it's kind of a nationwide keyword. So you want to be in the map section when you're available to get that ranked for that as well. So just looking at your competitors, how do we get in that organic search? So your competitors, number one is this Portable Restroom Trailers LLC, and they've got a little content on their page. They've got some Google reviews on there, which is always great to profile. They've got several blog pages that are picking up some keywords that are pushing them up into the top right now. And they've just got a really robust website and done a really good job on their SEO efforts. If you look at Lang, not as much content. They've got some content on there. You can see, like, when I click on that, it's trying to link to luxury portable restrooms for sale. You can link to this one. It's going to link to portable shower trailers for sale. And that's how they're getting some of those keywords mixed in. And then NRT, not quite as nice of a website from a graphic standpoint, but they've got, a little bit of content in there, and enough, they're talking about restroom trailers a little bit, and you can view their floor plans, but really just getting more content than these guys is going to be one of the biggest things that helps you outrank them. So this program is called Hrefs. It allows me to see like your website strength. And I'll just go over this real quick and some of your competitors' strength as well. So you guys are the 20 millionth strongest website in the world, and you've got a URL rating of 7 and a DR rating of 10. This is good in that it's close on a 1-to-1 ratio, but it's bad in that it's just not very strong at all. You've got 69 links coming into your website that is referring to your website through 31 different domains. And when I drill into this, they're just not very strong. When I look at the strength over here on this do follow, there's this 110 and several 2s, so just not really strong on that front. Looking at the keywords, you've got organic keywords, you've got 80 different keywords you're being ranked for. You just need to have a stronger website to start picking up traffic for that. Looking at your competitor, so this is the #1 organic search ranked website. You can see they've got a lot more strength here, and they've built that over time. They've kind of gone up and down in their SEO effort, building links and such over the years, but they are doing some work right now for sure. And they've been building links. They've got 1,800 links coming through 319 referring domains. So these are other websites out there that are linking to their website, and they've got 4,000 keywords that they're being found for too. And you can see they're getting hits because, you know, there's 25,000 people that have landed on their website, and 92,000 in traffic value is what they're given, you know, an estimated value from that. It's just a good SEO effort that they are doing, and doesn't mean that you have to beat them, but you want to just be right there with them in the top 3 positions is where where we're really trying to get to. If you look at some of the referring domains that they have, and you can just see some of the strength, 33, 23, 16, 16, you know, there's just a lot there that's a lot stronger. So, you know, we can go in and get some of these same links. We can get an equal level of strength for some of the links. We just go through and we figure out like, where can we get the same link and where can we get a stronger link than they have. Looking at Lang and Lang Restroom Trailers, you know, same thing, a little bit stronger website on the URL, on the domain itself, not very strong at all. So these guys, you know, their website's actually behind you guys on the strength. They've just got more backlinks and more referring domains with a little bit more power, and they've got more keywords that they're being found for. So Google's giving them a little bit more authority, and they may just have a, you know, a good level of content, and they've been fairly consistent over time. So that's another thing that Google looks for. Nothing that we can't overcome, for sure. And we just want to go after this. If you look at some of these organic keywords real quick, I'll show you that restroom trailer for sale gets searched 1,700 times a month. And the keyword difficulty is an 8. So it takes several months to rank for that keyword. I usually say that a keyword difficulty of 0 to 5 is going to take 3 to 6 months. And then you just kind of add 3 months on that for the next 5 level of difficulty. If you look at portable restroom trailers for sale, another 1,300 searches a month, again an 8. You've got portable restroom trailers that get searched 1,900 a month, a little bit stronger on the difficulty. You've got bathroom trailers for sale, another 600 a month. Now these are nationwide, so you know you're picking up sales all over the country for this. Restroom trailer, 2,400 a month. As you can see, it's going to start to add up some good volume, and it doesn't take a lot to make some good money off of that kind of volume. So that's backlinks and the keywords. The thing that we look at on another program that we have is local citation finder. So this is where your name, address, and phone number, you want to have, look at what your competitor has, and then I like to add at least 100 on top of that. So this R&K Roofing is a roofing company that we're working with. You know, we've added 424 backlinks or citations for them. You've got Wave Roofing, you know, it's got 37, so in the process of building links or citations for those guys, 53. Competitors on these were in the low teens, so, you know, we're already moving past them. So we look at what your competitors are doing and then go above and beyond, try to make them play catch up with adding those citations. So doing those 3 things together, just to recap, 1,500 words minimum of keyword-rich content on your home page and on the other pages. You've got to have backlinks that are stronger than your competitors, and then you've got to just have more citations. Those 3 things working together over time will outrank your competition. And you know, once your competitor sees that we're doing things, a lot of times they will continue to work on their efforts as well. So we just got to keep working on it, keep building, and stay stronger than they are. I would love to talk to you further about your business. I hope this helps just understand what we do and how to beat your competitors. You can reach me at 479-326-7899 or just reply back to the email, and would love to talk to you just about, you know, what you're frustrated with, what you're trying to do with your business, how fast you're trying to grow, what your capacity is, that sort of thing. Really dig in and try to understand what you're doing. My name is Paul Heck again, Grassfire Digital Marketing. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.